WWE broke the news on social media Thursday evening that they have come to terms with the release of Steve Cutler. They didn't state a specific reason but wished him well on his future endeavors. Shortly after, Cutler sent out the following tweet. "Unfortunately, today I was released. It was shocking to say the least, but I am excited about the future and all the possibilities in front of me. Thanks for your continued support. 90 days, the countdown begins." Cutler first made his NXT debut back in 2014 and was later part of the Forgotten Sons, along with Jackson Ryker and Wesley Blake. The Forgotten Sons had made their SmackDown debut on April 2020 but were removed from television after Jackson Ryker sent out a tweet saying he was thankful for President Donald Trump. It read, "Thankful for the POTUS we have. God bless America. Built of freedom, forgotten no more." This, of course, received large amounts of backlash. After Ryker posted that tweet, Cutler responded with his own tweet saying, "Although I am part of a tag team while I wrestle, I am my own person with my own thoughts and beliefs. It pains me to see what's going on in the world. I fought for the freedom of our country and all of the people who live here." Also adding, "It shouldn't matter your race or however you identify. We are all human beings and all deserve to be equal." And of course, he used the hashtag Justice for George Floyd. Cutler and Blake later returned to SmackDown in December of 2020 as Baron Corbin's Knights of the Lone Wolf. Meanwhile, Ryker has been working on Raw alongside Elias since December. What are your thoughts on the release of Cutler? Go ahead and let us know in the comments section below. Plus, don't forget to like and subscribe to Pro Wrestling Sheet for more of the latest in wrestling news.